In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blog to your GoDaddy website builder step by step. If you want to start publishing articles, improve your SEO, or simply add fresh content to your website, adding a blog is one of the best things you can do. The good news is GoDaddy makes this really simple, and I'll walk you through the entire process from login to publishing your first post. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future website and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click on Sign In at the top right. Enter your email address and password, and once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the section called My Products. Click on My Products to see all the services and websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to add the blog to, and next to it, click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor. Now that you're inside the website editor, decide where you want your blog section to appear. You can add it to your homepage or create a separate page for it. To insert the blog, click on the plus button, which is the Add Section button, in the area where you want the blog to be placed. After clicking the Add Section button, a panel will open showing different types of sections you can add. Scroll down until you see the category called Blog and Newsletter. Click on Blog and Newsletter to expand the options. You'll now see a few different choices: blog, blog feed, and newsletter signup. To create a full blog section on your site, select Blog. This option allows you to create and manage full blog posts directly inside GoDaddy. Once you select Blog, click the Add button. GoDaddy will automatically insert a blog section onto your page. You'll immediately see a preview of how your blog area will look on your website. Now it's time to start creating your blog posts. Inside the blog section, look for the button that says Manage Blog or Create Post and click on it. A new window will open where you can begin writing your first article. Here you can add a blog title at the top. Below that, you can write your content. You can format your text by making headings, bold text, or bullet points. You can also add images to make your blog more engaging. If you want to link to other pages or external websites, simply highlight the text and insert a link. GoDaddy's editor is very user-friendly, so everything works with simple clicks. Once your blog post is ready, you can either publish it immediately or save it as a draft if you're not finished yet. Publishing will make the post visible on your website right away, while saving as a draft allows you to come back and edit it later. After creating your posts, don't forget the final and very important step. Go back to the main website editor and click on Publish, then select Update Site. This ensures all your changes, including the new blog section and your posts, go live on your website. Once published, your blog is officially live and accessible to visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog to your GoDaddy website builder and published your first post. Blogging regularly can help drive more traffic to your site, improve search engine rankings, and build authority in your niche. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.